All right, let's break all the rules. Let's put a snap-on socket on a Craftsman ratchet. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. This is turning into how fast can I mount two tools on my new workbench video. Hey, welcome back. Hey, check it out. I got a new workbench. It's nice and big, 4 feet by 8 feet. It's got a couple shelves down there for all my other tools and junk. And there's a video on that build process coming out here soon, but it's about 3 hours of footage. So I'm editing it right now. Maybe a couple days, maybe 3 days, I'll have it ready to go and you guys will be able to see that. But today we're gonna go ahead and get my drill press permanently mounted to it and get this Harbor Freight Special Central Machinery vise mounted. So we're gonna go ahead and get started right now. All right, I don't know if you can see or not, but I got all my tools and hardware and everything here. Hopefully I got everything I needed, but we're gonna go ahead and get this vise out. So I grabbed this vise because, well, I need one, and it can turn all kinds of different directions, but it is Harbor Freight quality, or Central Machinery quality. So I don't know what I think of it yet. I just don't know. But I do want it right about here. Better measure that. I think I come all the way to the edge. What I got there? About 6.5. Okay. Looks like it's going to work right about there. Make some marks here. Pretty good. Try to start my holes right smack in the center. I'm going to start with a spade bit just to get the hole started. Got a regular 1/2-inch bit here. Should do the trick. A lot of wood is going through there. Now, let's see if I got the right size bolts, right length. Okay, those will work. Drill press. Move these ones right here. Yep. There. Let's encourage it with a hammer. I believe 4 inch is going to work back here. Let's see. Yep. All right, we're good there. All right, now I'm going a little overboard here with washers because I'm bolting it to wood. So I'm putting 2 flat washers, 1 lock washer. Yes, it's still up to debate whether lock washers actually do anything. These bolts are just barely long enough, and these are 6 inchers. Let's get a couple back here. All right, let's break all the rules. Let's put a snap-on socket on a Craftsman ratchet and tighten it down. Turn on the top a little bit. Let's put a wrench on it. One more. I think that'll do it. We're gonna see how well I like this vise. It's cool. Hey, check it out. You can spin it around. It's got, you know, pipe jaws. Another type of jaw here. I don't know what that's for. I probably do. I just don't remember. But it's a little sloppy. But for a DIY guy that doesn't do crazy heavy work, I think this will work just fine. And it says, there was a tag on this one earlier that said, do not over tighten. That keeps the barrel from turning. Now, drill press. So this drill press actually has a story, and it's a good story. And if you can't tell, there's a bunch of Japanese writing on it. There's the tag on the side. I'm gonna have to make another video just on this this drill press so I can kind of share the whole story behind it and why I have it and why it works and is not broken anymore. Get the table out of the way. Get you guys back over here safe and secure. This is where the 7-inch bolts go. 2 bolts, 2 nuts, 2 lock washers, 4 flat washers. All right, let's see if we can make this happen. Can't go too far over there. Right up on the edge, I think is gonna, yep. So there's a 2x8 flat under here that beefs it up. I don't want to straddle it. Let's get this out of the way. We're gonna mark where we're gonna put our holes. Hang on, I'm gonna cheat a little bit. Put a mark so I can get it lined back up onto the holes I drill. Without going crazy. This thing's heavier than it looks. All right, got 2 marks right there. Let's start it out with an awl. Get it centered. Made it first. This is turning into how fast can I mount 2 tools on my new workbench video. Get in there. Here's my broom. And we'll slide her back into place using my marks I made with my pen. See how well that works out for us. Pretty close. I think I got it spot on. Same thing as before. 2 flat washers, 1 lock washer, and a nut. I definitely got bolts long enough for this. In fact, they're too long for my sockets. I wonder if these
these 4-inch ones work?
I don't think so. Nope, there you go. So ratchet's going on top this time. Tight enough. There we go. All right. Drill press is mounted. Let's get the table back in the center. There you go. We got a vise, we got a drill press. So I'm gonna be working on getting this build video for the workbench figured out over the next couple days. Hope you enjoyed this short little video on getting some tools mounted, I guess. I'm sure some of you guys will enjoy it. I'm looking forward to doing a review on this one. This here vise. So far I'm okay with it, but we'll see, time will tell. So there'll be some other videos coming up as well. That lathe is on a short ticket, it's coming up very soon. Anyway, I hope you guys stick around for the next video or two, if not all of them, and I'll see you on the next video.